Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and in today's video I'll be showing you all how to achieve a very easy beginner friendly makeup look. So if you want to know them, please continue watching. So first I primed my lips today because winter season is here and oh my god, chapped lips is a big worry for me. And here I used the Good Vibes lip balm. I really like it. And then for my primer I'm using the silicone based primer from Purple. Again, I just used major amount of it in the T-zone area and then I simply just spread it all over my face and pressed the primer into my skin. For my foundation, I'm using a mixture of the Fit Me foundation and the Superstay from Maybelline. The Fit Me one is slightly more olive for my skin tone while the Superstay one is slightly light. So I just mixed the two together. And yeah, I just applied it all over my face and I'm using an angled kabuki brush to blend in my foundation. You can find these brushes from Wet n Wild and you just have to use these stippling motions so that the foundation blends really well, especially if you're using brushes, or if you're comfortable with beauty blenders you can definitely go ahead and do that. I personally like using brushes. Now for my concealer, I'm using the Hide My Hickey concealer from Stay Quirky, and as you can see over here, it's a beautiful skin tone match shade. I am around MAC NC40 for shade reference, and this is like my skin tone match and it looks very gorgeous like my own skin. And I just applied it underneath my eyes to cover the darkness, and then also on my lids, around my mouth, around the crevices of my nose, on the bridge of my nose and slightly on my forehead, and then using the same brush that I used to blend in my foundation to blend the concealer. Now this concealer blends very easily. Also it does not crease that much like the NYBay one. This did stand for a really good amount of time, and so I would definitely recommend you all this concealer. It is a good everyday kind of use concealer. And yeah, for my eyebrows I'm using the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. This is in the shade I think Felix Onyx, and I just brushed my hair through and then used the filler side to fill in the sparse gaps of my brows and then brush the hair back again up. And then once my brows are done, I also like to clean them up with the same concealer pen. Now as this has a brush tip, it is very easy to correct the mistakes that you have done, and when you have a skin tone match shade, it is like an eraser, so you can just correct any issues or any mistakes that you've made during your makeup. A skin tone match concealer shade is the best thing to have in your makeup vanity. And then once I'm done with that, to set my base makeup in place, I'm using the Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 25. Now this is slightly light, but as all of the shades of the base products that I used were like my skin tone match, and so I used a lighter shade of powder to set it. And I just pressed the powder. I did not bake because I'm already a dry skin type and I do not wanna cake up my base. For my blush, I'm using the Stay Quirky blush. This is in the shade Peach Lady 4 and it is super pigmented. Like I just used little amount and I also removed excess on the back of my hand, but still it packed on a punch on my cheeks, and as you can see, I did not take any further dips into the pan. I just used whatever was left on the brush, and onto the side that I've applied way much, I just used some loose powder on top of it just to tame it down. So definitely you can use this hack. You can just use the loose powders. You can just use a loose powder on any product that you think that you've applied way too much. And then for my bronzer, I'm using the Color Icon bronzer in the shade What Shady Beaches, and I used it in the hollows of my cheek, on my jawline, and I also used the same around the perimeters of my face. And I also took it on my eyelids and merging it up towards my temples. In this way your face would get a nice uplifted look, and it would also add nice bronziness to the perimeters. And also taking it along the hairline, don't forget to do that, around the bridge of the nose to add slight shadow, and on my lids, as I said before, just to add slight bit of contour, and slightly around the lower lip. For my highlighter, I'm using this liquid highlighter from Stay Quirky, and with this one you have to work in small sections, and I feel working with this using the finger to blend it is the best way to go ahead, because in this way your base won't get lifted up. And then I also use the same highlighter underneath my brow bone to highlight it, and in my inner corner, and I also used it on my nose bridge to highlight it. So basically this is a very beautiful natural looking highlighter shade. It is like that rose gold kind of shade with slightest bit of silver glittery particles into it, but it looks very beautiful. And then I also use the same highlighter to highlight the nose bridge, the nose tip, cupid's bow and my chin, and using my fingers I just blended it ASAP. And yeah, that was basically all the highlighting I did that day. Now for my lipstick, I'm using this absolutely gorgeous shade from Purple Lip Crayon. I don't really remember the shade. I would have it linked in the description box. All the product links you can find in the description. These are from Purple and you can find amazing discounts on these. Now this is a very beautiful pinky purple toned nude color. Oh my god, without makeup this is like that mauve pink toned brown shade. It looks very gorgeous, and I would highly recommend you all to try this one. And then for my liner, I'm using the Shine Line liner from Lakme, and this is the steel gray one. It is like a gray shade with slight bit of silver glittery particles into it, so even with a simple liner you can rock the party. And so I try to do my wing liner with this liner from Lakme, and basically that's all that I did. You know, this is such an easy makeup look that you can do and best for beginners. Lastly, I just coated my lashes with the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and I used it to coat my upper lashes and lower lashes. So when you're going very basic on your eyes, don't forget to coat your eyelashes heavily, because that is gonna, you know, balance everything out. So don't forget to coat your upper and lower lashes very well. And I also use some amount of it to brush through my eyebrow hair. And yes, that's it. That's the simple easy makeup look for beginners. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. You can find all the product links in the description box, and you can let me know how did you like it. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.